Hi everyone, this is Shirley. Today I want to talk about face slimming treatment and how to achieve a defined and chiseled lower face or jawline. When we talk about face slimming, a lot of people thinking it's a certain treatment, but it's actually not. Because masseter Botox, in a lot of places, they call it face slimming treatment. So people thinking, okay, if I have a big face, if I want to slim down my face, masseter Botox is the way to go to. But it's actually not the case. There's so many different ways that we can achieve a face slimming results. And obviously everyone's face is different and we have to treat everyone differently. So masseter slimming is something which can help some people to achieve a face slimming results. So from my observation and my experience, it's really good for those who don't have too much fat on the face, but they do have a very bulky masseters over here. So when we relax the masseter with Botox or other botulinum toxin, the size of the masseters go down and the face will become slimmer. But for those ones who's got a lot of volume and fat tissue on the face, it's not just about the masseters. It's also about how to tighten the face. A lot of Asians, we were born with more volumized and then more fat tissue on this area, which is a baby fat that most of the Asian hates. So in that kind of situation, if we do the masseters Botox, it won't actually change any of those fat tissues distribution. We're still going to have quite a bit of the volume on the face, and which is not what we want. In that kind of situation, we have to think about maybe something like HIFU or therapy prime to tighten the face instead of only focusing on the masseters muscle. The third treatment that I normally do will be dermophilus treatment, or the treatment which can define the structure, because eventually when we want to achieve a face slimming result, we don't really use the rulers or something to measure how big is your face and how wide is your face. It's a visual thing. You want people or yourself to perceive that your face is actually slimmer. So generally speaking, we want to achieve a little bit more V-shape, but still in a natural way. So sometimes like chin fillers or jawline fillers can help you to define your lower face. Hence, you will actually look slimmer. In a lot of cases, we actually combine a few different treatments depending on the facial structure to achieve the ultimate results of face slimming.